Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Service Provider Advanced Routing Solutions 300-510. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Service Provider Advanced Routing Solutions is: what is BGP route filtering and why is it important in BGP deployments? Your answers should be: BGP route filtering is the process of controlling which BGP routes are accepted, advertised, or rejected based on specific criteria such as prefix length, AS path, community values, or route attributes. It is important in BGP deployments to prevent the propagation of incorrect or unwanted routes, optimize routing table size, and enforce routing policies. Our next interview question is: what are BGP route dampening and route flap damping, and how do they mitigate route instability? Your answers should be: BGP route dampening and route flap damping are techniques used to mitigate route instability caused by frequent route flapping or updates in BGP networks. Route dampening involves temporarily suppressing unstable routes based on their stability parameters such as the number of flaps and the decay interval. Route flap damping assigns penalties to unstable routes and suppresses them if they exceed certain thresholds, reducing the impact of route flapping on network stability. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of BGP route summarization and its benefits in service provider network. Your answer should be: BGP route summarization, also known as aggregation, involves advertising a single summary route instead of individual routes to reduce the size of BGP routing tables and minimizing routing overhead. It helps improve scalability, reduce convergence time, and optimize routing table memory utilization in service provider networks. Our next interview question is: what are the different types of BGP peering relationships and when are they used? Your answer should be: the different types of BGP peering relationships include internal BGP, IBGP peering, external BGP, eBGP peering, and confederations peering. IBGP peering occurs between routers within the same autonomous system AS and is used to exchange routing information within the AS. eBGP peering occurs between routers in different ASs and is used to exchange routing information between ASs. Confederation peering is used in large ASs to divide the AS into smaller sub-ASs for better scalability. Our next interview question is: what is BGP PIC, prefix independent convergence, and how does it improve network convergence? Your answer should be: BGP PIC is a feature that enhances network convergence by pre-computing backup paths for BGP prefixes and installing them in the forwarding table to reduce the convergence time in case of a link or node failure. It improves network resiliency and reduces the impact of transient routing failures on traffic forwarding. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.